Hi there! So I thought today would be a good day, since I'm in the mood to sew, to start working. Probably not finish, but hey, a start. Start on this little bunny guy. I thought he was pretty cute. I've had him since, oh gosh, longer than I'd care to admit. But yeah, I'm gonna finally start on it. So I'm gonna iron it and read all the instructions like 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, 7 times just to make sure I'm getting everything I need to get right. And then I'll start sewing. I actually have another panel like this, which will hopefully be done after this one, but that's kind of obvious. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but maybe you'll see that video too. It's actually of a doll. Stop rambling, stop it. Okay, they don't care. They're watching to see the bunny if they're actually watching. So let's go. Whee! Okay, so I'm gonna be a little bit rebellious here and do something that's not in the instructions. It says to just cut out the batting for the size of the carrot and for the leaves. I think there's 3 of these and 2 of those. Anyway, I'm gonna cut out backings for them so that, well, not for this one, I don't need to do that one. But for the carrot, since the bunny's gonna be sitting inside of the carrot, I don't want his little toenails to scratch up the batting every time I put him in or take him out, or if my future kids will do so. Hi, I love you, future kids. Well, I guess if you're watching this, you're already alive, so anyway, I love you. So I'm gonna trace this out on the carrot and then quilt it, basically. Like, it still says to do that, but I'm gonna do it this way. Yep, perfect. Makes a fun noise. That's a bonus. Fun noises are definitely a bonus. Sounds like it's laughing. Yes, laugh at the instructions. Laugh at them. Ha 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 ha. We found a better way to do something. Sounds like a little duck. Ta-da! Okay, now we're gonna cut out along that line. Yippee! So there's that. I don't think I need this anymore. You can go back in the scrap basket. You have been very helpful. Thank you so very much. I think that's all I need you for. But hey, I know where you live. Now we need to cut out batting. Whee! Whee! Batting! Hey, that'd be a good for. That'd be a good for. Yeah, thanks. Okay. I lost them. There they are. One. And 2. So there's that. Now we want to cut out. Whoa, look out. How many of these? 3 pieces. Okay. We can do that. Was done with the batting, but I forgot the ears. I guess I should have cut the ear out before yeah, okay. Oh, its ears are so little. So little. Okay, now we can scoop that out of the way again. Crumple it up in the corner. I might have needed that. No, I don't think so. Okay. This is the outer ear, because the outer ear isn't pink. I do like that they labeled everything though. If you're gonna over-label or under-label, I would much prefer over-labeling. I like clarification. Okay. Oh, I don't want to throw the little bunnies away. Oh well. Goodbye, bunnies. Okay, now I think we're done with the batting. Ugh. Okay. So then there's that. Now I think I just need to cut everything else out. Oh wait, do I have to do the arms or do I... Okay, cool. Yeah, I just stuffed the arms. Great. Okay, well, I'll see you when everything's cut out and nicely arranged, and yeah. An adorable sewing assistant has appeared. Say hello to the folks at home. Say hi. I love you. Ta-da! So here's everything all cut out, and I have all the batting that I need cut out. So now I'm just going to pin everything that I can do at the same time, and then chain stitch it, and then I will do everything that I can't do at the same time, I guess. So here goes. I've made good progress. I've made good headway. So that's the head tucked inside of the body at the moment. I'm about to stitch that on, but I was rereading the instructions, and for some reason I thought that I was supposed to pin the batting to the outside ear instead of the inner ear, so I'm going to take that out and redo it. It probably won't matter in the long run, but I like perfection. So, as you can plainly see, I have sewn the things that needed to be sewn. I've clipped a few things. I'm going to clip a couple more things, and then I'll flip and sew. Clip, flip, sew. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Oddly enough, I sewed the bunny's head inside out the first time. So when I flipped it, the head was wrong side out, but the body was right side out. So that was a little bit confusing. But I think I finally got the bunny all figured out. I also find it odd that they didn't give you a ponytail, a pom-pom for the bunny's tail. Does that seem odd to you? No? Okay. Come out, little legless bunny. I feel like Fella rattling a toy. Alright, well, I think you're probably bored because I'm bored, so I'm gonna flip this and then stuff it, and then I'll sew his little hips like the instructions say, and then I'll keep sewing. Does that sound okay with you? I hope so. Okay, I'm officially just rambling now. Bye! I know how you feel, Bunny. I know. I know that feel. This poor bunny looks hungry. I would prefer he looks stuffed. As you can see, I've already stitched his little leg seam like they told me to, and now I'm going to stuff his little head, and then I'll stuff his body, and then I'll sew his arms on, and then I'll sew his ears on. Or maybe ears and then arms, or I don't know. We'll find out. I like to use a knitting needle when I'm stuffing because this is nice right here because it's a flat edge. Rather than like using a dowel rod that's pointy or a needle that's pointy, this just helps me push it down rather than just poke it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Little bunny guy is pretty much done, but he seems to be missing something. He needs a tail. So I'm going to whip up a tail with this fancy dancy pom-pom maker here. it on. Now we just need to finish his little carrot that he will live inside of. So I will see you when we do that. I just did a top stitch on this end, well, kind of more of a securing stitch because I added in the muslin layer and I just didn't want it to escape when I was trying to fold everything over. So now I'm just going to add the carrots to the top and probably re-stitch that 1/4 inch seam, but whatever, that's fine. And then I'll be flipping this over and then over, and I think I might be getting pretty close to being done. Hi, are you helping me with this bunny? No? Okay, bye. Oh my gosh, looks like a carrot. What do you know? Epic score. I get to skip a step. It told me to tack down, where is it? Oh, there. Step 10. Now slip stitch the folded edge to the batting. 10, or T, letter T. Number T? Okay. Well, then it tells you for this one that you're gonna top stitch around everything. So why this if this? Because this worked fine. See? Got it. Yay, got to skip a step. So this is done, other than the little hanger tag guy. Yay! So I thought I was done with my machine, but I'm going to be taking another shortcut because I don't want to work on this anymore. And it's pretty much done, and I'm excited, but you can't really tell because I'm tired. Anyway, I'm just going to go over to my machine, hit the zigzag, stitch length to 0, and that's just going to go back and forth, and that's going to tack this little dude that you can't see because I'm not pointing the camera at it. Just going to tack this little dude there and this little dude here, and then that is how the carrot will hang on the wall. Well, here he is, the finished bunny in his little carrot home. Overall, this was a fun project, but I'm glad it's done, mostly just because I have other things that I'd rather be doing. But he does look pretty cute on the wall where I have him. He looks a little bit awkward because the nail there, or push pin, or whatever it is, that's there is actually from a Christmas decoration, so I guess that's just the seasonal hook, maybe? But yeah, the little burlap twine, not burlap, the twine on the back, and then his bow just kind of fits with my home decor, and it just kind of adds that little bit of, oh. So I'm really happy with how this little bunny guy turned out. Here's a closer look at him and his little tail. I decided not to do whiskers or detailing on the face, just again, I'm ready to be moving on to the next project. Oh, I was going to show you also, here is the inside of the carrot. I did put a little bit of stuffing, and these are not stitched down. They can flail as they please. But yeah, this was pretty fun. I'm glad you guys came along for the ride. Thank you so much for joining me. So far, as long as this goes up, when I'm hoping that it goes up, I have stuck to my 1 video a month goal, or at least 1 video a month. I'd like to do more, but hey, life happens and such. But yeah, thanks for coming along for the ride. Thanks for sticking around if you've made it this far. Leave a comment that says bunny ears in the comment section, or rather, yeah, I think I like that. Yes, if you've stuck with me this far, leave a comment saying bunny ears. Happy spring, and I hope to see you again very, very soon.